Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to do an unboxing of the MaonoCaster Lite so you can see exactly what you're getting when it arrives on your doorstep. Now this is actually a pretty cool kit. There are several different variations of this kit from MaonoCaster. This one is the S6 AU-AM200, and this is the premium boom arm bundle. Very cool. There are other ones you can get where they have like a little mini tripod stand, but this one has the cool adjustable boom arm. So let's get into it here. This is what the box looks like when you first open it up. You've got a user manual, you've got a letter to the customer, and you have connection instructions on a nicely laminated card. So that's cool. Everything packed very nicely. And here is the audio interface. Let's pull it out now. Got two audio cables, and you get two USB-C cables. One is short and one is very long. And in the second level here, we've got this windscreen muff that goes just on top of your microphone, and also this pop filter. Man, I've been dying to get one of these because this is going to come between all those annoying little noises your mouth makes, those mouth smacks, and your microphone. So it's going to help filter them out. Can't wait to put this in action. And then on this bottom level, this is where the boom arm is. It's got some nice movement to it, which you can adjust to make it work for you however you're set up. This is your shock mount for putting your microphone onto the boom arm. This is your 3.5mm audio cable. Here's another attachment here. And this is your 25mm large diaphragm premium grade condenser microphone. It's got some weight to it. And one thing I love about this already is this is so darn small and lightweight. It truly is portable, including preloaded sound effects like applause, laughter, booing, and cheering. I can do a live stream or podcast or up my sound game from wherever I want. I hope this video is helpful for you. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.